This is Viola from Lux Associate Travel. I'm here to introduce our walking food tour in Florence. Behind me, Cibreo. Cibreo is the place where you should have a coffee in the morning before going to Sant'Ambrogio market. If you are from Florence like me, that's the place. You grab your own coffee and then you can go to the best local market, Sant'Ambrogio. So let's go there. Andiamo. We are inside the Sant'Ambrogio market, and this is one of my favorite places, the formaggeria inside the market. And this is where I usually come for my cheeses and for my bread. We are with Sandra and Roberto. They had this place for 7 years. This is usually where I bring my guests because really you can taste the best pecorino and the best caprino, but especially this really good bread. It's called grani antichi, old grains, and it's a research that they have done in the Florence University. And well, you should just come and taste it because it's so good. For us in Tuscany, meat is fundamental in our diet, especially the cinta senese. Cinta senese is a local meat that you can find only in Tuscany. It's coming from Siena and it's delicious. But also on that side, trippa e lampredotto, tripes and lampredotto. With tripe and with lampredotto, you can do a very special panini that is our street food. Another special place inside the Sant'Ambrogio market is this, Luca Menoni Macelleria. It's a butcher, but also they cook different types of meat over here in the cucina, and you can even taste it upstairs on the terrace. Let's go and explore it and taste some of this really good food together. Right now we are at Vestri, one of my favorite gelato places, but this place is special for chocolate. But it's fundamental to learn how to pick a good gelato because you're gonna walk around Florence, Rome and Venice and you're gonna see mountains of gelato. And that's how to pick a good gelato, come with me and I'll show you. Leonardo is gonna show us the real gelato. You ready? Come closer. You see how creamy it is?
Chocolate, dark chocolate combination, pistachio, hazelnuts, dark chocolate and chocolate with orange.